a programmed CNC machine, secures raw metal stock on its work table. The tungsten carbide end mill rotates at 3,200 RPM, making controlled passes to remove material layer by layer. Cutting fluid continuously flushes away metal chips while cooling the tool. Multi-axis coordination achieves contour geometries within plus or minus 0.025 millimeters tolerance. Automated tool changers switch cutters for different operations. This process transforms blocks of steel or aluminum into precision components for engines, flight systems, and industrial equipment.